ওনারা আমাকে চিঠিটা দিয়েছিল 24 তারিখে। আমি চিঠিটা কেন দিয়েছিলাম? পরিষ্কার বলেছিলাম কোভিড সারচার্জ প্যান্ডামিককে রোকবার জন্য এবং সাইক্লোনটাকে ফাইট করার জন্য। এবার আসছে কথা, তারা যখন আমাকে তারপরে আলাপন বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়কে যেদিন মিটিং হলো কলাইকুণ্ডায়, যদিও প্রাইম মিনিস্টারের কোনো ভার্চুয়াল মিটিং নয় এটা, প্রাইম মিনিস্টার ওখানে ল্যান্ড করেছিলেন। তার আগে উনি কিন্তু আমাদের একবারও বলেননি যে আমার সাথে চলো, প্লিজ কাম উইথ মি, অ্যাকম্পানি উইথ মি and let us see the flood affected area or the cyclone affected area. He never said so. And in Bengal he never visited for that purpose. He just landed when he was coming from Odisha. Digha is adjacent there, so they came Kalaikunda, that is the airport, so from there he can go to Delhi. And there he said he wants to meet PM to CM. After that everything you know. And when I meet him, and details I have already said, I met him along with my chief secretary. At that time I requested him that because of my earlier program preoccupied, I have to visit some disaster area affected areas, so please allow me and my CS to visit the Digha because the weather is not good. So we have to go early with your kind permission. Thrice I mentioned this. But after that, I am shocked to see whatever I replied, you have seen that. The reply was very properly done, that you cannot take one-sided unilateral decision, even for a topmost number 1 bureaucrats in the state. अब सबसे ज्यादा चीफ सेक्रेटरी जो बड़ा ब्यूरोक्रेट होता है उसको आप जस्ट बुला के लेते हैं. इट नेवर हैपेंस विद इन दिस 74 years ऑफ आवर हिस्ट्री. अब ये शर्म का बात है. इवन आई एम रियली सॉरी टू सी दैट अभी जस्टिस तो नहीं हुआ. पर्पस ऑफ एक्सटेंशन वाज कोविड एंड साइक्लोन. दे डिड नॉट मेंशन इन द लेटर फॉर व्हाट रीजन दे वांट दैट Alapan Bandyopadhyay CS will join Government of India. What purpose? What is the reason? That they did not mention. They only mentioned the rule, one rule they quoted, 6 clause 1. That rule said that center and state detailed consultation should be there, but no detailed consultation is there, but it is just reverse. प्रतिशोधमूलक आचरण एवं प्रतिशोधमूलक आचरण ये है कि इतना निर्दय, इतना निर्मम प्राइम मिनिस्टर मैंने नहीं देखा, होम मिनिस्टर मैंने नहीं देखा, जो ममता को खिलाफ में है. इसी के लिए उसको चीफ सेक्रेटरी पर उसको ब्यूरोक्रेट्स को भी अटैक करने पड़ता है. दिस इज टू मच. नाउ द अटेम्प्ट इज, इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग द स्टेट consultation, the jurisdiction of the state, give importance to federal structure, they have added injury to the Government of India. Especially they have no consultation with the state government. ये just reverse हो गया. प्रायर कंसल्टेशन 0 था, डिटेल्ड कंसल्टेशन नहीं हुआ. रूल 6 clause 1, one prior consultation is there, but you have not done that also. You have added to insult injury. कंसल्टेशन का बदल में ये रिवर्स हो गया है. नो कंसल्टेशन, नथिंग, नो रीजन, नथिंग. Only political vendetta works. Why? You don't like Mamata Banerjee, that's why. Why? You are defeated, that's why. Why? You know that you are nowhere in Bengal, that's why. Do you think that they should not respect the people's mandate? After my taking oath, within a day, they have got to saying violence, violence, violence. I have not seen any violence. There must be some evidence. They have filed some writ petition for president rule. We came to know from the media. They have gone to National Human Rights Commission. They sent National Human Rights Commission. They sent central team, not for the purpose of COVID, but for the purpose of political vendetta, to save the BJP from their inner fightings. And now, I am sorry, the purpose of extension of services for 3 months from 1st June 2021 of Sri Alappan Bandyopadhyay was in public interest to fight COVID-19 pandemic and impact of recent cyclone. Based on it, central government agreed to give extension on 24th May 2021. After the aerial visit of the PM on 28th May, the central government asked the state government to relieve Sri Bandyopadhyay to enable him to join on 31st May 2021 at 10 am at New Delhi. Central state government doesn't know the cause when the reason even. State government did not agree to relieve him on 31st May 2021 as the purpose for which his extension was given still persists. CM West Bengal has written detailed letter to Prime Minister as to why he cannot be relieved. Our priority is COVID and cyclone. It may be mentioned that perhaps the central government may not be aware that when I have received the letter, before that, Sri Bandyopadhyay has superannuated from afternoon of 31st May 2021 as his normal date of retirement is 31st May 2021. Hence, his services are no longer available to join the central government tomorrow as given in today's order. And this is the blunder of the central government. Great blunder. They want to bulldoze the state government totally. They want to play only the political vendetta. Who has taken this decision? This is illegal, unconstitutional. And we do not know who are their political advisors. Maybe some political advisor, this Prime Minister and Home Minister. It's really danger for the country. And it is not only they are going to bulldoze the federal structure, they are going to the moral of the bureaucrats throughout the country. Please remember, if the top officer of the state, he gets this type of humiliation, insultation, the behavior after working full of life, dedicated full of his life for the government, for the public, and after that, central government cannot force him to join Government of India without his consent, or the consent is without the consent of the state government, the detailed consultation. What message Modi government is giving to the country? They want to create disaster for the federal structure. They want to damage the bureaucracy. Not only Alappan Bandyopadhyay, I thanks to him that he has taken his own decision before that. But why the Chief Secretary to SDO to BDO, the central government, whenever they will desire, they will call them? Are they the bonded labor? They are not. Central government cadre, we respect them. State government cadres, we respect. You can call central pool cadres, but without state consultation, you cannot. I can call also, there are so many Bengal cadres officers are working in the central government. If we confront like this, what will be the future of this country? Mr. Prime Minister, Mr. Busy Prime Minister, Mr. Mon Ki Baat Prime Minister, what you want? What you want to finish me? Can you do it? Never and ever. Until and unless people give me the support, you cannot. Even I will appeal all the state government, all the opposition state government, and all the senior leaders of this country, and all the NGOs, all the intellectuals, all the political persons, all the IS and IPS, please be together. And state service officer also, please be together and fight the battle. It is not only the battle of Alapan Bandyopadhyay. This battle is for all the bureaucracy, all the bureaucrats. Bureaucrats are afraid now. They cannot even ask them a question. Only two syndicate members, these two, whatever they can decide, that is the law. It never said. Even if somebody go to the court will not give support also. So far my knowledge is concerned, I am also as a lawyer speaking. I am also as a lawyer. And I am the High Court, Kolkata High Court, the live member of Bar Council also. So as a just common lawyer or just as a commoner, what we can guess? Nobody can give this type of order. It is very unfortunate, unconstitutional, undermining the subversive and all this. I cannot accept all this. Even nobody can accept all this. So, but we need the service of Alapan Bandyopadhyay very badly. He retired, but I didn't allow him to leave Nabarno, to leave our secretariat. So, the new chief secretary after his superannuation, Mr. Dwivedi, the home secretary, became the chief secretary, and home secretary, Mr. Gopalika, became the home secretary, and Alapan Bandyopadhyay, like him, a bright officer, I will not allow him to leave us finally. Chief secretary is okay. Today is the retirement day. It is his desire. He can take a decision. And I think he has the guts. He has the boldness. He has the honesty. He has the sincerity. And his name will be forever for the history of India, that how a bureaucrat is been victimized after his long services. And I allowed him to be chief advisor of chief minister. He will start his work from today itself. Tomorrow, because today is his retirement day, so I have already ordered. Charity begins at home. I want to give support to my bureaucrats and bureaucracy of this country and all of my government employees. And for that reason, a brave officer, a bold officer, a honest officer cannot be victims like this. And he didn't ask the extension. It is we ask for the greater interest of the people, for the greater interest of the Bengal. What is his fault? I don't understand. What is the reason? Only political, except the political vendetta? What is the reason? And that's why we have decided, I have decided, we want his service for pandemic. COVID pandemic, how he worked, everybody knows that now we are safe. We are doing better. Because to work for COVID pandemic and to work for cyclone affected areas, he must give his service to me, his service to Bengal, his service to country, his service to poor people, his service to minorities, his service to SC/STs, his service to OBCs, his service to poor people, his service to weaker section, his service to COVID affected people, his service to cyclone affected people. That's why I ordered he will join with me as a chief advisor of chief minister. And additional also there is a charge, ATI also he will take care. So from tomorrow, he will start his work. I thought, and I will also give a reply, though I have given the reply letter, they have written chief secretary, they have not replied to me. They have not replied to my letter. Even today, 31st, till now, they have written chief secretary. That letter what I have told you. It is not that Chief Minister they have written the letter. So I have not get my reply also for disagreement also, what they say clause 6 clause 1. That also, this is their blunder. But we don't mind for this. We will fight the battle, and our government is a poor people government. We will work for the people. They cannot stop us to work for the COVID pandemic people. They cannot stop us to work for the cyclone affected peoples, and they cannot stop the bureaucrats to spend their life with dignity and honor. I respect my Chief Secretary, ex-Chief Secretary, for his good services as an honest man, as a good man, he was a journalist also in his past life. So his reputation, his family reputation, everybody knows. And now, I have given a note, Sri Alapan Bandyopadhyay IAS, presently posted as Chief Secretary West Bengal and who belongs to 87 batch, retires on superannuation on 31st 5th 2021. He had performed excellently well during his entire service life in various postings and his service as Chief Secretary, especially during COVID-19 pandemic, Duare Sarkar, and during the West Bengal Assembly election 2021 has been our excellence, has been par excellence. In order to utilize his valuable experience, it is proposed that Sri Alapan Bandyopadhyay may be appointed as Chief Advisor to Honorable Chief Minister with effect from 1/6/2021, from tomorrow, for a period of 3 years. Not 3 months, 3 years. The role of the Chief Advisor shall be to advise the Honorable Chief Minister on policy matters on areas they may be assigned from time to time. Other terms and conditions of service may be decided in concurrence with the Finance Department, and whatever he will get, that also Finance Department have already decided, but I won't think that it is proper to say, but he may drop pay of rupees 2.5 lakhs, means 2.5 lakh plus other allowances as admissible to IAS officers from time to time, minus basic pension before communication plus dearness relief as admissible from time to time. Other condition, the concurrence of the Finance Department, it will be decided. So, I think I have finished. Do you have any reply for that? হ্যাঁ বলুন, আমি বাংলায় অনেকটা বলতে পারিনি, তার কারণ ন্যাশনাল চ্যানেল অনেক সময় ওরা মিথ্যে কথা বলে খাওয়ায়। যেমন দুপুরবেলায় খাইয়েছিল যে ওয়ার্কআউট করেছে। শুনুন, পলিটিক্যাল লোকেরা ওয়ার্কআউট করে মাঝে মাঝে ফর অবভিয়াস রিজন, বাট ব্যুরোক্র্যাটরা কখনো ওয়ার্কআউট করে না। একটা ল মিনিস্টার মিসলিডিং করছে আউট অফ লতে গিয়ে, ইটস ভেরি ব্যাড। বলুন। রিটায়ার্ড করেছেন, রিজাইন কেন করবেন? রিজাইন কোন দুঃখে করবেন? সুপার অ্যানুয়েশন বলা হয়েছে, কথাটা কি শোনেননি? তার তো আজকেই রিটায়ার করার কথা ছিল, কিন্তু আগে করেননি। তার তো আজকেই করার কথা ছিল। আর যেটা সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্ট ভিন্ডিকটিভ পলিটিক্যাল ভ্যান্ডেটা করেছে সেটা হচ্ছে 3 months এক্সটেনশন নিয়ে। এক্সটেনশনটা দেওয়া হয়েছিল ফর কোভিড প্যান্ডামিক অ্যান্ড ফর সাইক্লোনের কাজ করবার জন্য, জনগণের জন্য, এবং সেটা সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্ট সেই পারপাসে অর্ডারটা দিয়েছিলেন। আজকে কিন্তু সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্ট তার পারপাস বলেনি, তার রিজন বলেনি, শুধু পলিটিক্যাল ভ্যান্ডেটা করেছে পলিটিক্যাল অ্যাডভাইজারদের কথা শুনে। একদিন ওদের পস্তাতে হবে। दिल्ली का लड्डू जो खाया वो भी पछताया, जो नहीं खाया वो भी पछताया। ज़्यादा खा लिया ना, इसी के लिए 7 साल में थोड़ा ज़्यादा हिम्मत बढ़ गया फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर को ख़त्म करने के लिए। हर स्टेट इसको नहीं मानेंगे। आई विल रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द चीफ मिनिस्टर एंड द चीफ सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द स्टेट्स and all the IAS IPS officers and the state cadres also, please be united and stand the battle and stand high and fight the battle where the mind is without fear. and the head is held high. Fight the battle like this. বাংলা কখনো হারতে জানে না, বাংলা মাথা উঁচু করে চলে, তাই চিত্ত জেতা ভয় শূন্য, উচ্চ জেতা শির। 3 মাস কি 2 মাস এটা ম্যাটার নয়, ম্যাটার হচ্ছে তুমি রিজন বলতে পারো নি, তুমি আমার চিঠির উত্তর এখনো দিতে পারো নি। 31 কিন্তু কেটে গেছে, রিটায়ার হয়ে গেছে, আর তুমি জানতেই না যে তোমার চিঠি আসার আগে সে অলরেডি সুপার অ্যানুয়েশন সে রিটায়ার করে নিয়েছে। তার কারণ তার আজকেই লাস্ট ডেট ছিল। এক্সটেনশনটা সে নাই বা করলো, সেটা তার নিজস্ব ডিসিশন, দ্যাট ইজ আপ টু হিম। এবার বলুন কি বলবেন? ওয়ার ইজ দ্য ন্যাশনাল চ্যানেলস? উইল ইউ আস্ক মি দ্য কোয়েশ্চেন? And will you ask the same question to Narendra Modi or Amit Shah? Please, they will feed some news to the media and don't, without cross checking, don't give it to the media like their publicity. Please cross check actual what is happening and what is wrong and what is right. 74 years में नहीं हुआ, 74 years में नहीं हुआ, और उन्होंने रिटायर करा, उन्होंने उसका मर्जी का माफिक, ये उसका मॉरल विक्ट्री है कि उन्होंने ब्यूरोक्रेसी को सेव किया फ्रॉम डिजास्टर।
ये तो उनका सुपर एनुएशन था, तो उनके पास ऑप्शन था, लेकिन जो ऑफिसर सर्विस में है, क्या ये स्टेट वर्सेस सेंटर के स्लग फेस पे वो लगातार हैरेस होते रहेंगे? अगर ऑफिसर्स को इसी
क्यों होगा? ये होना नहीं चाहिए। इसी के लिए पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, इसी के लिए बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर ने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में पूरा लक्ष्मण रेखा ठीक करके रखा। यू नो, सरकारिया कमीशन रिपोर्ट टू सुप्रीम कोर्ट वर्डिक्ट, एवरीवेयर द स्टेट कैडर्स, the state, under the state government employees, the officers, they are being protected. Under the central government officers, employees, they are also protected. There is a Lakshman Rekha. Without consultation, it never happened. जयललिता का टाइम में, इफ आई रिमेंबर करेक्टली, कुछ हुआ था, लेकिन सुप्रीम कोर्ट का वर्डिक्ट है जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट कंसल्टेशन नहीं करके नहीं कर सकता है, और इसमें डिटेल कंसल्टेशन ही नहीं हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ। जस्ट 48 आवर्स में एक लेटर देके बस जस्ट रिवर्स हो गया। तो इसको पॉलिटिकल वैंडेटा नहीं कहेगा तो क्या कहेगा? जस्टिस तो अब नहीं दे सकेगा। इनजस्टिस के लिए आप ब्यूरोक्रेसी को खत्म करने चाहता है क्या? डराने चाहता है? हम डरते नहीं, हम मरने के लिए तैयार है लेकिन हम डरते नहीं है। जो डरते हैं वो मरते हैं, और जो लड़ते हैं वो जीतते हैं। हम करेंगे, लड़ेंगे, जीतेंगे। और जो कवर्डाइज है वो डरते हैं, हम डरते नहीं है। अभी सबको एक कट्टा होके उसको खिलाफ में आवाज उठाना चाहिए। Yes, I think that everybody should be united. Even all the opposition chief ministers also, they must raise their voice also. And it is a disaster that BJP government know they are totally failed to protect COVID, to protect Notbandi, to protect agricultural movement. They are totally failed. The economy has become total economic crisis. The country is facing, even so many countries they ban India because of COVID pandemic and all this. Narendra Modi never taken any decision to give free vaccine to the people. What we are asking from the beginning, even they are taking GST tax from the vaccines. And after that, when they are totally failed, they have nothing to do. They have only one work, that they are behaving just like a martial law. It is not a democratic country they are behaving. They are behaving as autocrats. They are behaving more than Adolf Hitler and Mr. Stalin. Not Tamil Nadu Stalin, my friends.
Ma'am, how much will this harm the state of West Bengal?
No, nothing. West Bengal is strong enough, and West Bengal always, they believe that they are very strong. They always believe Rabindranath Tagore's quotation, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. They act like this. They also believe Swami Vivekananda, who said weakness is strength, and strength is life. So there is no weakness, it is our strength, that it is our moral victory. We never bow down our head.
इलेक्शन के बाद देखा गया है रिजल्ट आने के बाद ही सेंट्रल की तरफ से एक के बाद एक स्टेट दिए जा रहे हैं अगेंस्ट स्टेट। लगता नहीं है कि स्टेट के काम पर दखलंदाजी की जा रही है जहां तक स्टेट बिजी रहे इन सब में क्या?
देखिए, हमारा काम तो हम छोड़ता नहीं है। अब तो 3 बजे देखा कि हमारा डिजास्टर का मीटिंग भी हुआ, आज भी हुआ, साइक्लोन का मीटिंग, कोविड का मीटिंग, डिजास्टर का मीटिंग। तो हम काम को कभी छोड़ते नहीं है। वो हमको तंग करते हैं उसको पॉलिटिकल पावर मिसयूज करके, लेकिन हम उसको तंग नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन हम काम नहीं छोड़ेंगे। उसको अंदाजा नहीं है हम लोगों को संबंध में। हम लोग स्ट्रगल से है, आंदोलन से है, और आंदोलन करते करते जिंदगी भर एक जिंदा लाश का माफिक मैंने आंदोलन किया जिंदगी में। इतना कोई पॉलिटिकल लोगों को मार नहीं मिला, पिटानी नहीं मिला जितना मेरे को पूरा शरीर में चोट है, लेकिन वो लेके भी हम काम करते हैं कि हमारा काम करने का हिम्मत है। और हम ये भी कहने चाहूंगी कि सार फारोसी का तमन्ना आज हमारा दिल में है। देखते हैं जोर किसका बाजुए कतिल में है। हम लड़ेंगे, हम जीतेंगे, हम जिएंगे।
দিদি, বিকেল 5টার একটু আগে চিঠি এসে পৌঁছলো রাজ্যের কাছে, কিন্তু কেন্দ্রের একাধিক গুরুত্বপূর্ণ মন্ত্রীরা তারা সাংবাদিক সম্মেলন করে বলে দিলেন যে মুখ্য সচিব ওয়াকআউট করে গেছেন, অথচ মুখ্য সচিব কিন্তু আপনার সঙ্গে ছিলেন।
3টের সময় তো আপনারা দেখেছেন মিটিংয়ে ছিল, 3টের সময় তো উনি মিটিংয়ে ছিলেন, ডিজাস্টার মিটিংয়ে, সাইক্লোনের মিটিংয়ে। এটা তো প্রত্যেকটা মিডিয়া দেখেছে। তো ওয়াকআউট কেন করবে? আর আপনাদের তো আমি আগেই বলেছি, শুনুন, পলিটিক্যাল লোকেরা কখনো কখনো ওয়াকআউট করতে পারে ফর পলিটিক্যাল অবভিয়াস রিজন। সবাই এমনি এমনি ওয়াকআউট করে না, কিন্তু ব্যুরোক্র্যাটসরা কখনো ওয়াকআউট করে না। তার কারণ ব্যুরোক্র্যাটসের কতগুলো সিস্টেম আছে, ডিগনিটি আছে, অনার আছে, এটা মনে রাখবেন। দে নেভার ডু দ্যাট। সো দিস ইজ অ্যাবসলিউটলি pre-planned and planted. It is a pre-planned. They started all these spreading rumor, not rumor, spreading news through some ministers. Even the law minister, sometimes he is out of law. He acted just like a out of law minister. There should be one creation of new ministry. এসব ইনফরমেশন আমাদের কাছে নেই। আর অলরেডি যে সুপারঅ্যানুয়েশন অলরেডি রিটায়ার করে গেছে, সেক্ষেত্রে এগুলো প্রযোজ্য কিনা আইনত এটা মনে হয় গ্রাহ্য নয়। এগুলো কোনো লেটার টেটার আমাদের কাছে আসেনি। আলাপন বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের কাছে একটাই লেটার এসেছে, যেটা রিপ্লাই আপনাদের আমি দিয়ে দিলাম, এবং সেটা আমাকে কোনো রিপ্লাই এখনো পর্যন্ত দেয়নি। সুতরাং আমি কিন্তু ইচ্ছা করলে ওকে কিন্তু এক্সটেনশন দিয়ে জোর করে বলতে পারতাম যে তুমি থেকে যাও, তাতেও কিন্তু সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্ট কিছু করতে পারতো না। কিন্তু আমি সেটা বলিনি, তার কারণ ও যখন আমার কাছে পারমিশন চেয়েছে, ম্যাডাম আজকে আমার রিটায়ারমেন্ট ডে, প্লিজ আজকে আমাকে রিটায়ার করতে দিন, আমি ওকে পারমিশন দিয়েছি রিটায়ার করতে।
Ma'am, continuing from the other question my colleague also asked, what do you think about the bureaucrats? They are actually suffering from a sense of insecurity.
Yes, they are suffering from insecurity, and bureaucrats have become their, I do not know, sometimes they think that only BJP people are the they are the superhuman, and all other peoples are just like, sometimes, what I will say, if I say bonded labor, then you may take it, otherwise bureaucrat may take it, otherwise I should not. I have a greater respect for them. But they think that whatever we can do against the bureaucrats, they will digest everything. It is better word, digest everything, because they are the employees and they are working under the state government and the central government. So whatever they will say, they are bound to accept this. I think no, now there must be end of tolerance. It is too much. If it is too much, then you will see the too much reaction of the bureaucracy also. My full solidarity is with the bureaucracy to save them from the disaster.
Do you see this as a disrespect to the bureaucrats?
Absolutely. It is totally disrespect, insultation, humiliation, and what not. Instead of giving the respect, instead of giving the honor, instead of giving the courage to the bureaucrats, they do the jobs we give the bhashan. But when time comes to soothe our political vendetta, they give bhashan and bureaucrats only will supply the ration. That is not done. Thank you. I think I have